Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying system requirements. Windows Pro/Enterprise/Education and a 64-bit CPU with virtualization. Next, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and enable Intel VTX or AMD SVM. This unlocks hardware virtualization. Once done, boot Windows and turn Windows features on or off. Enable Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Make sure to check Nested Virtualization if available. These steps give Hyper-V the privileges it needs. Without them, Bluestacks cannot attach to Hyper-V. You now configure Hyper-V to host Bluestacks correctly. Open Hyper-V Manager and create an external virtual switch tied to your active network adapter so the emulator has internet. Then, in Hyper-V settings, allocate adequate RAM and CPU cores to the Bluestacks VM, avoid starving the host. Next, disable Device Guard, Credential Guard, or other hypervisor-based protections that reserve VTX. Also ensure no other hypervisor like VirtualBox is running. If it is, stop it. These steps align resources and avoid conflicts. You finish by installing the latest Bluestacks build and launching it as administrator to allow initial VM creation. If Bluestacks still fails to start, open services and confirm Hyper-V services are running. Restart Hyper-V Virtual Machine Management. Then test by creating a small VM in Hyper-V Manager to confirm platform stability. If problems persist, check Event Viewer for errors, ensure virtualization drivers are signed, and consider uninstalling recent Windows updates or rolling back device driver changes. One key tip: toggling Hyper-V off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.